Alright guys, so in today's videos I will be showing you how to paraphrase text, how to generate AI text and actually make it real content. Before now you would have known that when you generate AI content, when you generate content using the ChatGPT, it finds it difficult to pass the plagiarism check. Most times when you enter it into a plagiarism machine, it shows that the text is plagiarized or is generated using an AI machine. Okay, so in this video I'll be showing you how to scale through that process, how to generate content using AI and then it becomes real content, how to work around it and how to tweak it and get real content even when it was generated using ChatGPT. So if you are new to this channel, I'll suggest you click on the subscription button, click on the notification bar, turn it on and like this video so that whenever I drop new videos you are notified and you are able to watch them. So let's say we are going to prompt ChatGPT, say tell me the history of the United States of America. Okay, so our machine is going to write the history of the United States of America, and this might take a little time. Under this video description, I've pasted a video link. I've pasted a link that shows you how to detect AI generated content. It shows you how to detect AI generated content. So assume that you generate this content using AI, and then you copy it and paste it on this machine. This machine is going to tell you that the content is 99.98% fake. That means only 2% is real, and this doesn't pass the plagiarism check. This is actually very, very bad. So assume that you copy it and paste it here on QuickBooks. QuickBooks is a free software that does paraphrasing. It paraphrases your content and helps you to use it as real content. So let's paraphrase the content. We're going to paste it here, and it needs some level of, so let's see. Alright, so I'm going to paraphrase this. I'll paraphrase this, and this is the outcome. Okay, this is the outcome. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy all of this, our paraphrased tool. So I'm going to copy it, and then I come back to this machine and paste it, and you discover that it gives us, okay, it's still that didn't work out. It's still 98%. So I'm still going to paraphrase this. I would take out all of this and paraphrase this. So let's see what it gives us. Mind you, you can select fluency, formal, simple, creative, expand, or even shorten the text. So let's see how long this takes to. This takes less than 2 minutes depending on the strength of your network connection. So let's see how it goes. So I'm going to copy this and see if the machine is going to detect it. There are a couple of other paraphrasing tools out there you can use, but okay, this also didn't go out well, so let's use the German language and see if we can paraphrase this and get it unplagiarized. So let's go. We copy this and paste it on the AI detector machine. See how far it can take us. Let's wait for it. It's predicting, as you can see, predicting. Okay, that also did not work. So in the absence of all this, I'm going to teach you another way to use ChatGPT. So we're going to tell it, write it in a tone not typical to AI. So let's see what it gives us. Write it in a tone not typical to AI. So it's writing it in a tone that is not typical to AI. And just by doing this, you might as well scale through that process of not passing through the plagiarism check. So let's see. I'm going to paste this here once again and see. Alright, so it's 92.67% real. So this is 92.7% real. So if this other process didn't work with people, you can as well use this other process. Just by telling ChatGPT to write it in a way that is not typical to AI, you find out that it writes your text and it is able to pass the plagiarism check.